Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, remain standing. Kung any one of you will lead the prayer.
Dear God, thank you for this wonderful day. May you continue to guide us and bless us. Amen.
Amen. Okay, thank you. Give the best for that next prayer. Who's absent today?
None, sir.
Very good. Keep it up. So, our lesson for today, class, is home economics, focusing on cosmetology. Are you an avid fan of Itbulaga?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you aware about Tenergenyo?
Yes, sir.
So, before we start our lesson, we will play Tenergenyo. Who will be going fun first to guess a word and the other one will give the clue.
Sir.
Okay. Every news niya. You can speak Tagalog if you are hard to say English for the clue word. Since Michelin, how to play Tenergenyo? I will give you 3 minutes every word, okay? Your timer start now. Your first word is... Okay.
Parte ng katawan. Taas. Gitna. Dalawang. Sa kamay. Kuko. Daliri. Kuko. Nail.
Yes, nail. Very good. Next one. Okay, your second word is? Okay. Okay. Begin. I will give you 3 minutes every word that you're going to guess. Your timer start now, Michelin.
Sa taas. Hindi. Baba. Oo. Gitna. Hindi. Baba. Oo. Paa. Oo. Fish.
Okay, very good. Okay, our last word. You will get coming from.
Sa ulo. Hindi. Sa gitna. Daliri. Hindi. Sa baba. Hindi. Kamay. Oo. Hand.
Very good. Okay. May takers now. You are very good in guessing the word. So, based from the word you guessed, what is our lesson for today, class?
Service.
Yes. The history of the basic concept of nail care and its history. Okay. So, you have an idea about the history of nail care? Have you read some article or any published magazine about the nail care history? None. Okay. If none, let's first define what is nail care. Okay, can you read, Michelin?
Nail care is considered as the proper maintenance of the fingernails or toenails.
Yes. If we say proper maintenance, it's a way that keeping our nails from the fingers and nail clean and beautiful. That is nail care. Okay? Through periodic maintenance of nails, fungal infection and ingrown nails are not prevented. Yes, even we're always cleaning our nails and fingernails, we cannot prevent some fungal infection, maybe due to uh, what we call hereditary, maybe in the genes. We can inherit some new diseases. or maybe it is acquired because of improper use of cosmetics as well as other forms of chemicals like pesticide and detergent bars. Okay, those are some common causes of fungal infection. Next, okay, kindly read Julie Beth.
Manicure and pedicure are treatment one can receive wherein nails are blue.
Yes. Are you going to salon? Have you tried? Yes. Okay. These services are offered in salon. This is specifically in cleaning and making the nails clean and beautiful. If it's in the hand, it called it manicure, and if it's called pedicure. Okay. Okay, can you read Michelin?
Manicure, a cosmetic beauty treatment for the fingernails and hands, comes from the Latin words manus means hand and cura means hair.
As I have told you earlier, if you say manicuring, it's all about hands. From the word manus means hand. Next, kindly read Julibet.
Believe it or not, people have been manicuring their nails for more than 500,
1,000.
1,000 years. Nobility in Babylonia used solid gold tools to manicure and pedicure their nails. According to a Ming dynasty manuscript, nail polish has a history dating back even farther, 3000 BC, when nail color indicated one's social status.
Yes, very good. So, could you imagine during the Babylonian time, they used solid gold tools. Maybe those times, gold are very common to their places. That's why they use gold to make the tools used to manicure and pedicure their nails. Okay? And in China, according to the Ming Dynasty, manicuring or polishing the nail is indicated their social status. So, if you say social status, it refers to the level of your life in the community or in the society. Okay? Let's see more further learnings. Okay, kindly read Michelin.
Royalty painted their nails black and red. Egyptians used red to decide the highest social status. Military commanders in ancient Egypt and Rome were known to paint their nails to match their lips before going into the battle.
Okay, that's what I told you earlier that painted nails signifies royalty. So, uh, this one, maybe in China, this one, they use to color their nails black and red if they are belong to royal family like the king, the queen, or princesses, and etc. In the ancient Egypt, they used red to designate the highest social status. Maybe red colors only often used by the pharaoh. You know pharaoh, like Cleopatra, they are the rulers of ancient Egypt. So they mostly use the color red to signify their status in the society. Okay, so if you are poor or you're just a servant, you don't. It's prohibited to use color red in coloring your nail. Only the royal family or the pharaoh. Okay. On the other hand, military commanders in the ancient Egypt and Rome were known to paint their nails mas their lip going their battle. Yes. This is to make camouflage. For example, the battleground is on the forest. Maybe they use nature color like green, gray, brown, etc. So that their body paint names or their colors of their nails will match the environment. So the invaders will not find them easily. That's the reason why. Furthermore, learnings. Let's read. Before nail polish was around, people in India used henna for their manicure. Based on the history in India, they use henna. You know henna? It's compared to a blackening shampoo. That is an example of henna. This is less permanent. Maybe it only stays for days. If you are care of it, you can this is for 1 month. That's henna. So it's an effort using henna, painting the nails. Okay? Over time, fashionable nails never lost popularity. In the 20th century, different styles of manicure came into existence. Artificial glue on nails became craze for people who did not want to or could not grow their natural nails long. Okay. So over time, nail care is become popular. If we say 20th century, this is our modern era, where it is existence of the artificial grooming or the artificial nails. If you see some blogs on the Facebook or in the YouTube that are showing beautiful nails, those are what we call artificial nail or false nail. And in order to put that one, use glue. So also an effort to maintain that nail because it's artificial.
Yes.
Okay. Those are examples. Those are false nails because being a normal human, you cannot draw fingernails at the same size, at the same design. It's so hard to create those nails. Even me, I cannot just imitate these nails. Only false nails or artificial nails can do this. This is very common in the Middle East. Persian or Arabian women are very meticulous. They love to use false nails because they're not aware of hygiene. Even shampooing their hair, they go to salon because they don't want to destroy their false nails. Okay? Okay. Today, nail materials have evolved with state-of-the-art products. Polish comes in every color of the rainbow. The French manicure was popular in the 1920s to 1930s and still today is considered as the most popular for fingers or even toes. Okay, so because of the popularity of nail care, the nail polish also evolved. Maybe before they only create the red, black, or maybe the color or five colors, but due time of evolution because of people becoming, you know what, fashionistas, that's why we develop many colors. Most commonly bichromatic colors or monochromatic colors. That's it. And based on the history, French manicure is the most popular. You know, French manicure, it's only the tip, the French tip design is considered as the French manicure. Okay, this one. Maybe you already trying to design your nails with this French design. It's a combination of either only a white one on the tip or there is another color combination, but mostly the tip is white. That is French manicure with the tip. Oh, that's it. That's French manicure, French tip. It's so nice, man. My God, how? Maybe if you are rich, you can make your nails like that, but you know, you can. Okay. Can you read Michelin?
Pedicure, pedicure. Waterproof, the appearance of feet and their nails is come from the Latin word feet means foot and cura means skin.
Okay, so if it's about pedicure, it's all about the cleaning or the care nails for the fingernails, which means from the Latin word pes means foot, foot in singular form. Pag dalawa feet. Yeah. Cura means care, so foot care. That is another term for pedicure is foot care, caring of the two nails. Okay. Okay. Nails are several important purpose. They help humans function. Nails are basically flat version of clothes that help humans decline stress, and yes, because with our nails, for example, your hands without the nails, you cannot function when you cannot work because it's simple movement. Maybe it will damage, it will puncture, or it will be wounded. So nails are very important part of our system. You try cutting your nails very super clean. You feel something that's good. You cannot, if there's some itch in your part, you cannot, it's natural. It's so irritating. So nails are very important. Okay? Okay. They guard against injuries, or as I had said, they serve as protective plates that help prevent the fingers and toes from getting cut or split during daily activities. Or for example, you have nails. Are you capable of cooking, washing clothes? No, because you're gonna be injured. It's painful. Even, for example, you have a little bit of scratch on your hand, you cannot work your right. So that's why fingers are very important in your nails, I should say. They enhance the sensation. So they also enhance the sensation. For example, using the nails, you can touch surfaces if it is rough or smooth. So the finger intos contain nerve endings that allows the body to process the volumes of information that is received every time something is touched, and the nails act as a counter force, providing even more sensory input. For example, the water, okay? Using your fingernails can detect cold or hot water, even the toenails, or either if you are in a what we call watery place, by using your toenails, you can detect if the water level is deep. Okay, that's the uses. They have special sensory factors to determine sense. Okay, okay. For activity, I have prepared for you. Put smiley if it's do or don't. Ito na ba yun? Okay, for number one, Julibet. Okay, in caring our nails, there are those and don'ts. If we say those are things that good to our nails, but don't, those are things not good to our nails. So, number one, those, keep nail shape and clean. Okay, it's good that you can shape and clean your nail. The don't, oh my god, use nails as tools. Okay, so in opening some tightly closed containers, don't use your nails as a tool. For example, opening a container airly tight. So you use can openers or any other tools, not your fingernails, because nails are not used to be tools. Okay. For number two, keep nails dry and clean. Yes. Why? You know, alipungan. If your hands are always wet, okay, it's not good. It will cause alipungan. Or as example, a fungal infection and smell ew. You know that. It's commonly happen on our food. That's at least food. Okay? Or don't bite your nails because they're nail cutters. You know that nails sometimes are very very acquired to germs. But you remember a child during childhood, you could uh, still realize that when you're a child, you're fond of biting your nails. Diba? And then, if they issue medicine, there's many words coming out, right? Because nails are also dirty part of the body because it pulls and touches everything. That's in a sense, if one thing is dirty or clean. So don't bite your nails. Use nail cutters. Number three, moisturize the critical area. If you see, it's not it's not only moisturizing is the face or the outer is other part of the skin. Also the cuticles are need to moisturize so that it will not be dry and cracked. Oh, full of hangnails. Hangnails. Hangnails are nails that are not firmly attached. Don't pull because when pulling hangnails, you cannot cure the because the pain. It only add worsen the situation of the hangnail. So don't pull hangnails. Sterilize nail tools. Why? Because uh, in manicuring, pedicuring, sometimes we cannot control our way of using. Some other using it super clean, and then it getting bloody the nails. So Through that, without sterilizing, maybe diseases will, what we call, transfer or will be contagious. So, before using any tools, you should clean maybe alcohol, just white alcohol, or either on a lukewarm water before you use it. Okay? Also, after using it, you need to extend it so that the other one who will use it is also safe. Okay? Overuse polish remover. Why? Because overuse of polish remover can dry the skin of the nails is the cuticle. So in using polish remover, only exact amount, not overlapping the cuticles without exposed dryness. Okay. Disinfect tears or cut on the cuticle. Because you disinfect tears and cuts. For example, accidentally you cut the edges of the cuticle. You need to disinfect, put some detergents so that it will easily dry and cure. For the don't put the cuticle back too far. Why? Because the cuticle protects our matrix. So with our cuticle, or the new grown nail is not beautifully flat if the cuticle is damaged. Okay? Those treat ingrown and torn nails as soon as possible. Yes. If you feel something really painful at the side wall of your nails, it seems that there's an ingrown. So upon that moment, you need to trim down or remove it so that you will worsen the pain. Okay? Okay, I have prepared an activity here. Direction. Read and understand the statement carefully. Put a happy emoji if you think the statement is true. Happy emoji if it's true and false if it's false. So this one, uh, maybe you can do both. This one, my partner. What do you think? Oh, come on. You do it with as a team. Ganyan siya. This one, you put if it's ano if it's true, you put happy emoji. Number one, read and put the emoji. Nail care is the improper maintenance of finger nails and toenails. Is that true or false? Okay. For number two, read and put the proper emoji. Through periodic maintenance of nails, fungal infection and ingrown are not prevented. You put. What do you think is true? You put happy emoji, and if you think false, you put the sad emoji. Okay? Nails are basically flat version of claws that help humans dig, climb, scratch, etc. Pedicure is a cosmetic beauty treatment for fingernails. Pedicuring fingernails. Latin word manus meaning care. Sige, go. The finger ends those contain nerve endings. Okay, let's check. It says nail care is the improper maintenance of the nails and fingernails. Yes. Why it is false? Because it says improper. Nail is improper. Okay, very good, correct. Through periodic maintenance of the nails, fungal infection and ingrown nails are prevented. Yes, because ingrown is grown as is a part of the system. So even removing it, cutting it, there's a time that it will grow. So it's grow. Number two, manicure and pedicure are treatment once can receive or nails are groomed. Yes, true. Manicuring is a cosmetic beauty treatment for the two nails. False, because again, Manicuring is for the manicuring is for the
Finger.
yes. It's not toenails. Nails are basically flat version of clothes that help humans decline and etc. Yes, true. Because it helps us. Pedicuring is a cosmetic beauty treatment for fingernails. What makes this statement false?
Toe.
Yes, fingernail because pedicuring is for toenails. Okay. Comes from the Latin word manus meaning care. What do you mean by manus again? Manus. Hand, yes. Manus is for hand. Cura is for care. Okay. The finger and toes contain nerve endings that allows body process information. Yes, that's true. As I told you earlier, using our fingernails and toenails, we can detect temperature, and so forth. Number 7 comes from the Latin word pes, meaning foot. Yes, it's true. Feet is okay. The nails serve as protection for the fingers and are made up of different parts. Yes, it's true. Because our fingernails and toes have different parts. Very good. Okay, if you understand the lesson, I have some question. What is manicuring again? What is manicuring? Okay, visually.
For manicuring is a cosmetic beauty treatment for fingernails.
Yes, very good. And toenails also. Okay. What is pedicuring? Julibet?
Sir, pedicuring is a cosmetic beauty treatment for
Yes, it's a pedicuring is a cosmetics beauty for pedicure. Remember, if we say manicuring fingernails, pedicuring toenails. Okay. So, what do you think is the advantage of having a clean nails? Ano yung pinaka mabuting dulot ng meron tayong mga maliliit na kuko? Or, okay, you can speak in Tagalog. Oh, why? Bakit mahalaga naman yun sa ating kuko? You can speak Tagalog if you cannot say English. Okay. Yes, Julibet. Bakit mahalaga naman yun sa ating mga kuko? Yes, to prevent bacterial or fungal infection. How about you, Michelle, do you have idea? Bakit mahalaga malis ang ating mga kuko? Bakit kailangan malis ang ating mga kuko? Yes. Yes, tayo. Okay, yes, personal hygiene. Having a clean and good shaped nail is a part of our proper hygiene. That's it, okay? Okay, for the next activity, direction, bring out 1/4 sheet of paper. I will give you 3 minutes to answer that. Okay, please identification. Based from our discussion earlier, write the correct answer of this is provided identification. For number 1, I will repeat the question. A cosmetic beauty treatment for the fingernails and hands. What do you call that? Number 1, okay? Paulit-ulit yung sinabi kanina yan. Treatment for the fingernails. Okay, number 2. A brownish red substance used in India for their manicure. Ano naman yung kanina? Sa India daw. Ano yung ginagamit nila? It's like the blackening shampoo. What's that? Oh my God. You're not listening. Oh my God. You need to listen our discussion so that you will answer easily the short quizzes. Okay? Number 3 comes from the Latin word cura means. What is cura again? Oh, for number 4, what color do you think Egyptian used to designate their, oh, in Egypt, what color they use? Okay. Number 5, it is considered as the most popular for fingers and even toes. What I told you earlier, there's a why. Bad. Okay, let's check. It's in paper. Let's see if you're listening to our lesson or not. Okay, it's in paper. Ano you're gonna do it? Okay, number 1. Cosmetic beauty treatment for fingernails and hands. Yes, Gulliver. Cosmetic beauty treatment. Manicuring is very good. It's manicuring. I, if you say cosmetic beauty, manicuring for fingernails. Okay. For toenails, pedicuring. Okay. A brownish red substance used in India. What's that? Henna, yes. Number 3 comes from the Latin word cura means. What do you mean by cura again?
Hair.
Yes, hair. What color do you think Egyptian use? Yes, red. Number 5, it is considered as the most popular for fingers and even toes. Even though it is very common. Friends. Yes. Always remember that the most common. Okay? Opo got it correctly all. Okay, very good. Okay? For your assignment, class, search for the different tools in nail care services right in your assignment notebook. Okay? You just make an advanced reading, okay? So that tomorrow, our next discussion, we will discuss easily, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.